Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox Sols RNG not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the Roblox server status. For that, go to status.roblox.com and check if all systems are operational. The second thing you want to do is check Sols RNG official server. You want to simply go ahead and check the game description or server announcement if there are any issues. If that is not the case, it might also be your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is stable. You can restart your router. Use a wired connection if possible. Avoid VPN while paying. Also, clear Roblox cache. You can simply press Windows key plus R and type this in and delete all the folders. If that is not the case, you might need to leave the game and join again, or even update your Roblox application. Or if you have any conflicting softwares, you can simply close anything like VPN, FPS boosters, injectors, and so on, and reinstall Roblox if nothing works. I hope